Hello, I'll be making Google Pixel 9 Pro in Blender. Here are some rendered images. First, change the dimensions. You can find the dimension values on the internet. Also, download all the necessary photos for the reference. Now, match up the reference photo with the object by rotating, moving, and scaling. Rename the reference photos. Duplicate the cube with Shift plus D. One is main body and other is display. Now select the four corners and bevel it with Ctrl plus B. Go to side view. We are going to bevel the side edges. Reference photo for the side bevel. Select the display object, scale it down, move it forward. Just like the previous object, select the four corners and bevel it. I am going to use Boolean modifier. Go to modifier and search Boolean. Then select the display as object. In edit mode, scale down the display a little bit. And then select the top face of the display object and press I and scale it. Add a cylinder for the front camera. We are going to use same Boolean technique. Do the same for the all cameras. Bevel the corners while keeping the clamp mode on. This is very handy for capsule-shaped objects. Duplicate the bump and position it properly. In vertices mode, select the left side and drag to the right side. That's it for the part 1. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.